What's going on, everybody? So today we're working on the Lowrider right now. We're getting the episode ready for you guys, but in the meantime what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw you guys a little bit something different. Still Lowrider content, but I'll let you guys see what BJ gotta say about it and go from there.
What's up, man? Had this Lowrider bike here for years and haven't done anything with it. You know, I just been changing up the forks and stuff. I'm trying to give it a little bit different look. A little bit of the chrome and stuff is getting torn up from sitting so long. And so anyway, I mean, if you want to check out down here, I got a new set of fenders. Front and rear. Got the braces. I got the new seat post. This old seat post ain't holding up. It's not getting a good grip when you clamp it down, so the seat always drops when I sit down on it. So I got that seat post instead. Then I had a 26-inch extended forks. Then I went to 20-inch forks. Now I'm going to go to 20-inch classic springer fork. So won't have that nice like Lowrider drop lip, but I don't care. You guys that haven't seen the bike, go ahead and check it out right here.